हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गिरीश बड़गुजर और हम लोग फार्माकोलॉजी के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स देख रहे हैं। आज का टाइटल है टू स्टडी द इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ स्ट्रिचनिन ऑन फ्रॉक। स्ट्रिचनिन का इफ़ेक्ट स्टडी करना है फ्रॉक के ऊपर। आइए देखते हैं इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स।
Objectives of this experiment are to identify the neurons involved in response cycle, to understand selective blockade caused by strychnine, to correlate inhibition of stretch response with CNS stimulation, to learn the physiology of stretch reflex.
इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हम एनिमल यूज़ करेंगे फ्रॉग। Drugs and chemicals required for the experiment are strychnine sulfate solution 2 to 4 milligram per kg, and the drug will be administered intraperitoneally. Glacial acetic acid. Instruments or equipments required includes stand with a clamp, syringe and needle and beaker. आइए अब देखते हैं theory behind this experiment.
Reflex action means an instantaneous protective response of nervous system to a stimulus. Reflex action is an inevitable function of spinal cord. The simplest reflex arc involves a sensory neuron, a connector neuron, a motor neuron, and an interneuron. Spinal nerve carry the nerve impulses from the spinal cord to groups of voluntary muscle fibers. You can see here, sensory receptor responds to a stimulus with a pin and has generated impulses. These impulses conducted by sensory neuron to integrating center in the spinal cord. Integrating center in brain and spinal cord relay impulses to motor neuron. Motor neuron in turn conduct impulse to the effector cell such as muscle cell, which will respond to the stimulus, that is contraction of muscle.
यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं जब भी सेंसरी रिसेप्टर पे कोई स्टिमुलस आता है तो यहाँ इम्पल्स जनरेट किया जाता है ऑन द सेंसरी न्यूरॉन. सेंसरी न्यूरॉन कैरीज दिस इम्पल्स टू इंटीग्रेटिंग सेंटर ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. यहाँ से ये जो इम्पल्स होता है ये थ्रू इंटर न्यूरॉन मोटर न्यूरॉन पे आता है. मोटर न्यूरॉन कैरीज दिस इम्पल्स टू इफेक्टर ऑर्गन और मसल सेल वेयर मसल रिस्पॉन्स टू द स्टिमुलस और इम्पल्स बाय मीन्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं जब ये इम्पल्स इफेक्टर ऑर्गन पे आता है, मसल पे आता है, तो उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो जाता है.
When the arc involving sensory neuron, connector neuron, motor neuron is completed, acetylcholine is released at the neuromuscular junction. As a result, contraction of a group of voluntary muscle fibers occurs. At the same time, another arc is completed in between the sensory neuron, interneuron and motor neuron. As a result, relaxation of antagonistic muscle occurs due to action of glycine on interneuron within the spinal cord. Glycine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter of spinal cord.
What is neuromuscular junction? So it is concerning with both nerves and muscles. A point of synapse between nerve ending with muscle is known as neuromuscular junction. What is antagonistic muscle? Antagonistic muscle is that muscle which counteracts the action of something else as muscle or drug.
Strychnine is a selective and competitive antagonist of glycine. Therefore, it blocks the postsynaptic inhibitory sites, that is, interneurons, and blocks the relaxation of antagonistic muscles. Whereas activity of acetylcholine on voluntary muscles is continued. Thus, excitatory effect is observed upon administration of strychnine. It should be remembered that the CNS stimulant effect of strychnine doesn't result from direct synaptic excitation, but it is by selective blockade of inhibition. Here you shall notice example of a polysynaptic reflex arc showing two synapses. The sensory neuron synapses with motor neuron shown in red color. Inhibitory interneuron is shown in blue color. You will observe stretching of limb is due to the stimuli causing contraction of one set of muscle and relaxation of antagonistic muscle. Antagonistic muscle relaxation is under the influence of glycine, which is inhibitory neurotransmitter. Strychnine competitively inhibits glycine and hence stretch reflex is inhibited.
आइए अब देखते हैं प्रोसीजर.
For studying the effect of strychnine with the frog, hold the frog on a stand with a clamp. Now dip one of the legs of the frog in glacial acetic acid and observe the stretching of the leg in upward direction. Since glacial acetic acid produces irritation and pain, the frog gives response by stretching its leg. Inject 0.1 ml of strychnine sulfate solution intraperitoneally. After 1 minute, once again dip the leg of frog in glacial acetic acid and observe its response. Now, observe the response. You will notice that the movement of frog's leg is in upward direction. Remember, for any movement, alternate contraction and relaxation of voluntary muscle is a must. Repeat the same procedure after injecting 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4 ml doses of strychnine sulfate solution. At certain dose, the frog doesn't show any movement of its leg. This means that strychnine sulfate has stimulated the spinal cord by producing excitatory effect on voluntary muscles of abdomen and leg, causing a state of permanent contraction. Therefore, the frog has not responded to glacial acetic acid. Hence, strychnine sulfate is CNS stimulant.
एंड फाइनली ये है ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल. इनिशियली हमने कोई ड्रग नहीं दिया था. उस वक्त जब ग्लेशियल एसिटिक एसिड के अंदर उस एनिमल का लेग हमने डाला था, उस टाइम हमें रिस्पांस मिला था स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ द लेग. व्हेन वी एडमिनिस्टर्ड ड्रग स्ट्रिक्निन सल्फेट 0.1 ml, then we got the response. What? Stretching of the leg in upward direction but with slow relaxation. Then we increase the dose of the drug, that is 0.2 ml. Again dip the leg into glacial acetic acid. We observe slow leg movement. As we increase the dose, the movement of leg decreased further and finally there is no leg movement, that is stretching of the leg is inhibited by strychnine sulfate. This indicates that strychnine is CNS stimulant.
What you have learnt? To name the neurons involved in stimulus response cycle. To understand that stretch reflex is due to contraction and relaxation of alternate groups of voluntary muscles. To understand the state of permanent contraction. Strychnine stimulates CNS by inhibiting inhibitory neurotransmitter glycine. Strychnine is classified under CNS stimulant category. Strychnine is a poisonous drug and never used in therapeutics. Any accidental consumption or deliberate administration of strychnine is characterized by rigorous convulsions produced in the body. If not treated in time, may cause death.